Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about our recent trip to a nearby uninhabited island called Gun Island here in the Maldives. So this picnic had been postponed for such a long time because of the weather and rough sea conditions. We kept planning and canceling, but finally, Alhamdulillah, the day arrived and we were able to make it happen. Me and a few of my colleagues decided to go together for the short getaway, and honestly, we were all excited. But the most excited person was definitely my son. It had been almost 3 months since he came here, and still I hadn't taken him to a proper beach where he could swim, play, and really enjoy the water. So for him, this picnic was extra special. Our journey started by the boat, and in the beginning, everything seemed fine, but slowly the sea became little rough. I was sitting at the front of the boat, and the waves were splashing directly onto my face. I won't lie, it was a bit scary. The waves were quite high, and at one point, I was too nervous to even record properly. And I must admit, that was adventurous. And finally, when we reached the island, the moment my son saw the sand and mud, his happiness was on the another level. He immediately started making little houses and sand castles, fully lost in his own world. Watching him enjoy those simple moments made me so happy, and I joined him too, reliving all my childhood memories. But that was just the beginning. He was chasing the waves, running all around, collecting sand, and even throwing sand at me. Yeah, you heard it. It was chaotic, messy, but absolute fun to watch. And if you know me, you know one thing for sure. Whenever I go to beach, I somehow end up recording a crab. And this time I found a really big one. I was so scared, so instead of going close, I safely zoomed in from far away and recorded it for you all. So in this trip, I didn't take many photos because the outfit I wore that day was mainly for swimming and comfort, not really for a photo shoot. So just a small clip of mine is all I managed to record. But sometimes memories are more important than pictures. Now, like every picnic, it was finally time for the best part, the food. And trust me, we had all been waiting for this moment. And one of the teacher's wife was traveling with us, and she prepared chicken fried rice, and it was truly delicious. And after all the traveling and excitement, enjoying warm homemade food by the beach felt extra special. Along with the fried rice, we also had the traditional picnic favorite, barbecue. We grilled chicken, sausages, and some veggies, and the aroma itself made everyone hungry. I feel like barbecue is something that completes every picnic for us. It has become a tradition and a must have part of our outings. So, yes, delicious food, beautiful surroundings, and a wonderful company. It could not get better than this. We sat together, shared our meals, and simply enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere around us. And of course, after such a hearty lunch, we went straight back into the water again. My child was beyond excited to swim. He kept running back and forth, chasing the waves, exploring the island, and enjoying every little moment. Watching him so happy and carefree made the entire trip even more special for me. That is truly the purpose of picnics like this, spending meaningful time with your loved ones and creating memories that stay with you forever. Seeing him laugh, play freely, and enjoy the nature brought me so much happiness. Life here in the Maldives is often very different from what people imagine. So you can just see my son won't stop yapping. he keeps on talking, and it's so difficult for me to record the real, like the natural audio. It's quite difficult for me. Yes, many people ask me about life here, and yes, it is incredibly beautiful, surrounded by turquoise water, peaceful island, and breathtaking beaches. But at the same time, life can become quite busy, especially as teachers with packed schedules and daily responsibilities. Sometimes days pass quickly between work and routine, and we hardly get time to pause. That is exactly why moments like this become so valuable. Living here teaches you to appreciate simple joys. Alhamdulillah, this became one of the most beautiful memory for both of us, and for my son it was his first life experience of spending in a beach, so he was really happy. It was refreshing, joyful, and much needed. Thank you so much for joining me on this little island adventure. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog as much as we enjoyed making these memories. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.